So hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Institute for IELTS. Today I will talk about the most common idioms. The most common idioms to use in the IELTS speaking. Having a whale of time. You know, to have a very fun and exciting time. For example, tell me about your hometown. Well, I am from Rajpura, which is a world renowned city for its history and culture. They say he who is bored of Rajpura is bored of life. There is so much to do here that you are guaranteed to have a whale of time if you visit. On cloud 9, very happy and joyful. For example, do you like your job? I must say that I adore my job and all the people that work here. It's a pleasure to go to work there each morning. I feel content with my life at the moment and I am on cloud 9 and on top of the world, feeling amazing, wonderful. For example, is art popular in your country? Yes, I would say that art is highly popular in my nation. Art has the power to unite us and express feelings that we cannot with words alone. When I look my absolute favorite piece of art, Starry Night, I feel inspired and on top of the world. It shows me true beauty and that I believe is why art is so popular. Over the moon. It means extremely pleased and happy. For example, what did you do on your last birthday? On my last birthday, I went to Delhi with my friend. It was an incredible city and the food was to die for. The trip was actually a surprise, and when my friend told me, I was over the moon. Next one is like a dog with two tails. Dogs express happiness through wagging their tails. Therefore, a dog with two tails must be very happy. For example, who is your best friend? My best friend is called Sumit. We have known each other since we were children. Every time I see him, I am like a dog with two tails. Thank you so much.